Hello everyone, Ray again. This is a 9-gear fidget hand spinner that I made for a client. Yes, it has 9 gears, 10 bearings, and a total of 52 moving parts. It's a lot of bits and pieces to get moving and working correctly. And this little fidget hand spinner can work by hand spinning, table spinning, and moving the gears individually as a fidget toy. And today I'm going to show you how I made it. So here you have, as it comes off the machine, mill finish. You can see nothing special. And this is stainless steel. And here you have it after we scotch brite it and give it that brushed look. So much better. To make the small gears, we start with gear rods. Alright everyone, here we have all of the components of the 9-gear spinner. All told, there are 52 pieces, most of which are spinning at any given time when you're playing with the 9-gear spinner in either of its two methods of use. So today I'm going to put it together. Let's go ahead and do that. Well, there you have it. The 9-gear fidget spinner. As you can see, all of the 9 gears revolving beautifully. The side plates kind of having that Victorian look to it. There you are. Does it spin in the hand? Absolutely. Spins in the hand. Does it table spin? It sure does. Camera doesn't like it, but that's okay. And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to share the video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel while you're here to stay up to date on all my future videos.